Hi, I'd like to thank Goli for sending me these ashwagandha gummies so that I could try these out and tell you all about these. So if you're watching this video, you've probably decided that you would like to start taking ashwagandha and you're checking out your options, right? And maybe you're thinking about switching from a pill to a gummy. This is the right video for you. I like these Goli ashwagandha gummies for a lot of different reasons. First of all, I like the Goli brand and the name because it's just really well known, and it is I feel a lot of trust in the brand of Goli. These are gluten-free, non-GMO, plant-based, and vegan. The dose is 2 gummies twice a day. They smell fruity. They don't have any other type of like underlying smell to them. And this is what they look like. Of course, squishy because they're gummies. The taste is kind of like a grape or a cherry. I can't distinguish between the two. So I very much like these gummies because I get the ashwagandha daily like I want. I like the trusted Goli brand, and I just like the taste. They're easy to take and they taste good. So highly recommend the Goli ashwagandha gummies. Thanks.